And the leaves turn, they turn red and they turn gold. They need sunlight and water and earth in the air to keep them alive. That's how plants grow. That's how plants grow. Everything here is alive. Everything here is alive. Everything here is alive. Everything here is alive.
A note becomes a chord, becomes a phrase, becomes a melody, and a note becomes a monster.
Everything here is alive. Everything here is alive. You plant a seed, it settles in, and then it bursts, and then it splits and makes a twin. Then there were more. Look across the landscape, and you'll find it's just a bunch of